Hello children, we are on third part. Name the gases present in air. Oxygen is 21%, 1% other gases, nitrogen 78%. Other things present in air, dust particles, smoke, water vapor, you can see here. Let's recap, this is important, read by yourself. Coming to exercise, tick the correct option. The main gases present in air are nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Solids have a fixed shape. Gas is the lightest state of matter. The percentage of oxygen present in the air is 21%. The air in the coastal areas has more water vapor. Fill in the blanks. Air is a mixture of gases. The molecules in liquid substance are loosely packed. Air is used to run windmills to generate electricity. We cannot see the air around us because it is colorless. The smoke from the vehicles leads to air pollution. Match the following. Air will go with mixture of gases. Matter has mass. Argon, electric bulb. Pencil, solid. Wind, moving air. Nitrogen, 78% in the air. Name the following. In this state of matter, molecules are closely packed, solid. It is needed by living things for breathing, that is air. Basically, it will be air. If particular mention of a gas that helps in breathing, then it will be oxygen. The amount of the water vapor present in the air is humidity. The human being breathes through this lungs. Any substance that pollute the air, pollutant. Coming to question answer part, answer the following question. What is matter? What are the three states of matter? Any substance that occupies space and has mass is called matter. The three states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. What are the different components of air? The different components of air are, as we know, answer, as we know, air is a mixture of gases. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas present in air, which makes 78% of the air. About 21% of air comprises oxygen. Other gases including carbon dioxide, argon, helium, neon, hydrogen, etc. form the remaining 1%. Once again I am repeating, the different components of air are, as we know, air is mixture of gases. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas present in air, which makes 78% of the air. About 21% of air comprises oxygen. Other gases, including carbon dioxide, argon, helium, neon, hydrogen, etc. form the remaining 1%. Question number 3. Write any three properties of air. Properties of air are: air occupies space, air has weight, air has no color. These three I have written from the book. You can write any three of your choice. Describe an activity to show that air has weight. Page 77, it is there in your book. Just I am showing you. This is the activity which you will write in your copy as answer number 4 to show that air has weight. Question number 5. What is air pollution? State any two preventive measures to keep air clean. The addition of harmful and undesirable substance to air as a result of human activities is called air pollution. The two preventive measures are to cover short distance, use bicycle or walk, plant more trees to keep air clean and fresh. These 2 points I have written from the book. You can write any 2 points from the book. Select and write any 2 other points also you can write from the book. Thank you.